Here we're going to look at finding a 5-number summary of a data set that shows the number of medals won by the United States at the Olympics. So I'm actually going to focus on the gold medals. How many gold medals did the United States win in the Olympics? Here you can see, though, in 1980, the United States did not participate in the Olympics. So I'm going to add some zeros here because then they did not win any medals. Remember, for your 5-number summary, you have your min, Q1, your median, or Q2, your Q3, and your max. And you want to make sure you're listing those in order. The first thing you want to do when you are finding or working to find your 5-number summary, you want to make sure that you highlight your data and sort it, least to greatest. So I'm going to select those gold first one, and then I'm going to do Shift Control down, sort and filter, sort smallest to largest, and I do want to expand the selection because I want to make sure that all my data is staying together, and click sort. So now I have my numbers in order from least to greatest. I'm going to go ahead and type in my min, and I'm going to scroll down and get my max. My max there is 83. I'm going to type that in. Now I need to find my median. So you're going to use that equals median, parentheses, and then your data. So again, you click that first one for gold, Shift Control down, and close parentheses, enter. And we're getting 36. So keep in mind that this data set, if you count your rows, so just like I showed you guys when we did histograms, if you click that row over there and you scroll down, you can see the total number of rows we have, and that is 28 rows. So half of 28, being that it is an even number, we're going to have those two values highlighted, just like in that hand written example I did. So here at row 15 is actually 14 rows. So these two values are actually our middle here. So I'm going to make sure that I highlight that and keep that in mind, so as we are splitting up our other numbers. Okay, so then that means this is your first half. I'm going to just box that around so you can see it. And then your second half is not boxed. Okay, so we're going to be finding the Q1 in this first side where I put that border around. So equals median, and then you're going to just highlight that first half, close parentheses, enter. And what you're seeing here is a little note that says, hey, you didn't get all of your data. And Excel is recognizing that. But it's okay because we only needed the median of the first half of the data to get that Q1. We're going to do the same thing for the second half, so equals median. And then we're going to just use the second half of data. Close the parentheses and enter. And there is our Q3. If this was an odd set of data, you would only have one value highlighted, and then of course you would do the first half and the second half, just like I showed you in the handwritten example in the lecture video.